Good morning. Today I'm going to show you how to solve simultaneous equation using Cramer's rule. Cramer's rule says if you are given a simultaneous equation, all you have to do is first form a matrix of the coefficient of your variables. So let us form the matrix. For x, the coefficient is 3. For y, in the same equation, 3. Then in the second equation, the coefficient of x is 3, while the coefficient of y is -1. So this is our matrix. If you multiply it by x and y, you are still going to form this particular equation. And this one is the same thing as this constant term, which is 12 and 4. Then Cramer's rule says you find the determinant of this matrix you form, which is delta. We call it delta. And delta of this is just the difference of the product of the diagonal matrix, which is 3 times 1 is -3, and 3 times 3 is 9. So this is the same thing as -12. So the determinant of this particular matrix is -12. Secondly, you need to find delta x, which is the determinant of the matrix with respect to x. So instead of the coefficient of x, you replace them with the constant term. You form another matrix, which is 12, 4. Then you bring this one, they remain the same, -3, then -1. Then you calculate the delta x, which is the determinant of this matrix with respect to x. This time this is -12, minus this time this is also 12. So -12 minus 12 is -20, -24, -24. Then again, you find the determinant of this particular matrix with respect to y. So this time around, you substitute the coefficient of y with the constant term, delta y. You form it using 3. Then instead of this one, you replace them with the constant terms, which is 12 and 4. So for delta y is the same thing as this time this, which is 12 minus this time this, which is 36. So delta y is equal to -24. Then delta for x value, the value of x is equal to delta x divided by delta, and this is the same thing as substituting back the terms. For delta x is -24. Then for delta, what do we have there is -12. And this gives us +2. Then again, for y value is the same thing as seeing delta y divided by delta, and this is the same thing as obtaining the value of delta y, which is -24 divided by delta is we have it here as -12. So -24 divided by -12 is also equal to +2. So you see, the value of x is 2, and at the same time the value of y is equal to 2. Therefore, x value and y value is equal to 2 and 2. So these are the values of x and y, 2 and 2. For you to know whether these values are correct or not, you need to test them back into the main equation, and the main equation is this and this. So when x is equal to 2, because the value of x is 2, if you multiply it by 3, you get 6. We have 6. And 3 times the value of y, which is 2, is the same thing as 6, and 6 plus 6 is 12. So therefore this we have tested for this equation. Then you need to test for the second one. 3 times the value of x, 3 times 2 is the same thing as 6. Then 6 minus the value of y, which is 2, and this is equal to 4. So this one 2 hold. So therefore the real value of x and y is 2 and 2. So this is exactly how to find the values of x and y using Cramer's rule for a given simultaneous equation.